Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs, and you are extremely welcome or welcome back on my creative channel here. Apologize for my voice and my nose. We catch the flu, I guess that's the season, but we are going to be fine. Today is day 20 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar, and I can't wait to show you what we have on the page today. Consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any of the new videos, and this will definitely help me grow here and keep making free tutorials for you. Okay, let's dive in. So let's just see what we have on the page today. We have Rudolph. I love it. This one is so cute and it's so easy. You can use it for a card, for a Christmas card or a gift tag. It's just amazing. So let's just dive in. Everything about the supplies is in one of the preparation videos. You can find it in the playlist with all the other videos. Let's just walk through the sketchbook and see what we already have. If you are just joining, that's okay. You can either go back to all the videos and draw them. I definitely wanted to make them easy, quick, and for sure fun. So yeah, if you are just joining, you can either go through all of them, pick the ones you like, or you can start from the beginning. The outline templates are available on my Patreon page, so if you need them, go check it out. The link is in the description below. This was from yesterday, and let's make our Rudolph here. I will just zoom in, make sure you see what I am making. So I also have a nice photo here. It's a cookie, but we are not gonna make the cookie. We just want to make a nice sketch, but you can definitely use this as a card. So that's gonna be the nose. Then we have the eyes. So we will make two circles here, like this. Then we have something like this. So these are the eyebrows, and let's make the deer, how do you call this, antlers. So imagine just a triangle, the eye, the eyebrows, eyebrow, it's only one, and then here we have one dot, and then we will shake our pen to sketch something like this. We can add a few more, and maybe one just here. Okay, they don't have to be completely symmetrical, although now this is really longer. Something like this, and that's it. Let's just take the ink and let's sketch our oval, which is our red nose, like this. Then we have the eyes. You can, or I will already fill them with black, just like this. Maybe this is a little bit smaller. Yeah, let's try to make them the same, like this. And then the small eyebrows. Okay, and just go and sketch the outline. And then for the other one, let's make this one a little bit shorter. Like this. So you could see that I didn't follow my sketch completely, but that's okay. The sketch is only to give us a guideline, to make sure we have a nice composition, to make sure we can fit our sketch inside the paper, all this kind of stuff, but it's not fixed, so we can definitely change it a little bit with the ink. The ink, though, we can't change it. We can add thickness, but we cannot remove it once we have it on the paper. All these steps are part of my coming program, but I think I already said it. For those who didn't catch this information, this program called ARTventure Draw Academy. It's coming in the beginning of next year, so it's online course that also includes live Q&A sessions, and I will teach you all the steps for such sketching, sketchy style illustrations, and yeah, in the end you will be able to sketch anything you want that you see on the, you see it in life, you will bring it on the paper. Definitely the flu took all my thoughts. So I guess after filming I'm going to sleep. Okay, let's add some red for the nose. I am reactivating my red here. I have this one. It's alizarin. I really love it. So I want to add some water. If you have a puddle, you can go back with dry and clean brush to make it even. Then I will pick some red and I will touch the edge. You can see how the paint just moves around. I will add darker here on the bottom just because the light is coming from the top, so we have darker here on the bottom. And I will leave this, it's like a highlight, and I will add a little bit more here on the bottom. Okay, I will pick some burnt umber for the deer antlers, and then I will just add it. The first layer is usually either only water or a bit lighter. I go quickly. I'm not bothering because I am going out of my lines. Watercolor sketching is about letting perfection go, and if you really want to follow the lines, that's okay. If you feel like you want to go a bit loose, that's also fine. Just do what makes you feel better. I just took more concentrated paint on the tip of my brush and I am adding it on the edges like this. Okay, and pick some black. I don't have black, so I am mixing burnt umber and Payne's gray to make my eyes even darker. Okay, let me write day 20. I think I will write it down here. and I will use burnt umber for this. So the I will make this dry and I will add just a few highlights with the white jelly roll pen. Okay, now that this is dry, let me just use my jelly roll pen. My students, my members on Patreon, they were also having some issues with adding the white details. It's mostly the pen. So instead of 08, I decided to try number 10. It's definitely better. The solution of one of my Patreon members was to use bleed proof white, so that's also a nice idea. So I'm adding just a few lines where I have the darkest parts, just as highlights, just like this, very sketchy. Then I will add for the eyes like this. So let me just check if you can see. Yeah, I think this is a very cute one, and this type of watercolor illustrations are amazing because you can add as much details as you want, and you can definitely make it bigger or smaller, and you can definitely find your own way to make it special by adding as much details as you want. I think I'm just repeating myself, but okay, that's it. Let me just wrap up. I really hope you liked this video and you enjoyed it. I hope to see you for day 21 tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe for my channel so you will not miss any of the new videos. Check out Patreon for the outlines and have a great day. That's everything for today. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, I hope. Bye.